How's the market in Bradenton, Florida this week? I wanted to draw your attention here to our weekly market insight report. And what we see is that for this week, July 20th, 2026, the market action index is hovering around 34, which is just a little bit less than last month, which basically the market action index is a dynamic relationship between buyers and sellers. So it's a slight seller's market, but that means that you need to make sure, if you are a seller, that your house is priced competitively. What we see here is that the average days in the market are at 120, median days are at 70. 46% of the houses in Bradenton have had a price decrease, and we're sitting at 149 units for inventory. Now, market rent is just over $3,000 a month. So that is going to be an incentive for some people to look to buy rather than to rent. So what we see, the different market segments, prices have been fairly steady throughout Bradenton over the last couple of years. We did see that run up post-COVID, but that has since cooled down, and we are pretty flat year over year. And what we see on the different market segments, if you are in the lower 25%, you're seeing days on the market at 84, with new listings coming out of 3 this last week, where 3 were absorbed. That 640 price point is really kind of the sweet spot. Average days on market are at 63. We had 4 new units come on the market and 7 were bought. So if you are in those price points, then you want to be priced aggressively, knowing that you're probably going to move fast. If you are that high end, around $930,000, or that lower middle of 539, you need to be more aggressive with your pricing if you're wanting to sell quickly. Of course, if you have any questions about the market here in Bradenton, feel free to reach out to me direct. Dennis Wells here. Hope that you have a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you soon.